In this land, we are many.
Different voices, different dreams, yet one heartbeat.
From the kampung to the city.
From tradition to innovation. We move forward together.
Hari Kebangsaan reminds us
Unity is our greatest strength.
And with technology, we rise.
Because every step we take is to make lives better.
Better for families who dream.
For youths who create.
For a nation that dares to lead.
And to stand as one. Diverse, united, unstoppable.
This is Malaysia. This is our tomorrow. Selamat Hari Kebangsaan dan Hari Malaysia daripada ECMO.